We are pleased to show you the 2009 G6, a great-looking sedan with the personality of a sports car. The Pontiac G6 incorporates fine-tuned independent suspension, 219 horsepower V6, and 4-speed automatic transmission with driver shift control. Boasting an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, the G6 is a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan that doesn't sacrifice amazing performance. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, power door locks, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.